Let us go with the 20th problem here. Right, so they have given this number, right? So 735239621 as how many crores or dash crores? Let us check out here. So write down here, right? So that is going to be unit, right? Then tens, right? Hundreds, thousand. So 10,000, right? Lakh, right? Then 10 lakh. Right, then crore, that is 1 crore. Let us write down here 1, right? 2, 6, right? 9, that is 9,621, right? And as well as 39,621, right? 2 lakhs, right? Then 52 lakhs, 3 crore, then 73 crores, right? This is going to be 10 crores. The question is 73 crores, 52 lakhs, 39,621 as how many crores? That is 73 crores, right? Option A is the right one. Hope you understood, right?